G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about these super little components in my hands. We have a washer and we have a cup. Now these are to suit the A-Series engine with a pushrod cover. Not all A-Series engines have pushrod covers, but the ones that do have a bolt that secures the pushrod cover to the cylinder block. They also run a gasket, whether it be cork or silicone, between the cover and the block. But most importantly, what stops oil coming out from where the bolt is? Well, that is exactly these two components. So we have a cup, which is a small metal cup, and we have a rubber seal. That goes directly inside there, just like that, and then the bolt goes through the middle. The bolt will actually come in from behind, it'll go through there, and then that tightens up against it. Now I generally find this is the cheapest and most affordable way to be able to stop oil coming out from the pushrod cover. Now you'll probably find that oil is sloshing around inside there when the engine's running. There can be excessive pressure inside the crankcase, and this just helps slow it down and stop it. Now I generally buy these in probably half a dozen seals and gaskets at a time. They are super cheap and affordable. I generally keep them in a Gladlock bag inside my toolbox, along with the other spare parts that I keep, just in case. If you're pulling your pushrod cover off and you're unsure, it's best to get one of these to replace it. It does take 2 per vehicle, depending once again on what A-Series engine it is. You will need 2 rubber gaskets and 2 little cups as well. So if you're unsure which ones you need, make sure you hit up the guys at www.minisport.com.au. Check them out at the phone number listed above. If you want to stop leaking horsepower, get a new set of seals when you pull your engine back apart.